Alright, this is my buddy Manny's F4i. You've probably seen some of the videos. We're starting to get new to YouTube. I just want to say that jardine exhaust on a CBR is bar none the coolest sound that you could ever fucking imagine. So just check it out. Excuse the French. I'm gonna let your speakers catch up now because it's probably unbelievably loud, but you know what? Again, that jardine exhaust on this inline 4 with this little CBR, dude, this thing will boot at 154 like it's cool. You cannot imagine the fucking speed this little thing, excuse the French again, but you can't imagine the speed that this thing will endure. It will fire up and roll at Mach speed. Alright, once again, we have that sound. All of a sudden it's quiet. Now it's not so quiet. Well, my buddy just got carbon monoxide poisoning because he was cameraing up and back of that jardine exhaust. So, here's to YouTube, baby. YouTube!